If there's one simple upgrade you can make to your home, it's gutters. Old, broken, or leaky gutters should be replaced right away, as it's essential to keep water flowing away from your home and not into it. At Modern, we're gutter production and install professionals. We even make our gutters on site. Here, our installer Ryan is adding the end cap to our first gutter, which is being produced through our gutter machine in the work truck. Hangers are added as the new gutter comes out of the machine. Our gutters are seamless, meaning that they come out in one long piece. We rarely join lengths together, which helps maintain the water resistance of each gutter in the long term. Once we reach the custom length, we cut the gutter's other end and crimp on an end cap. Each end cap is caulked to prevent leaking. As you can see, we can produce some long, seamless gutters. Our team is walking the gutter to the install site for hanging. Our professional installers hang the gutter through your house's fascia boards on a light downward angle to direct water to the downspouts. After we cut holes in the gutter on the end leading to your drainage, we install downspouts along the edge of your home. Strapping is attached to the downspouts to ensure that they stay securely in place. Give us a call today to find out more about our range of gutter profiles, colors, and cleanout options for debris that gets into the gutter. It's time to fix your gutter problems. We look forward to talking to you.